loves, welcome back to my channel. I am sorry if I'm all over the place on this video. It's been a long ass time since I filmed, but also it's been a long ass time since I made this type of video. So this company asked me to collaborate with them. Don't mind Max, he just starting to snore or cough. Yes, so this company asked me to collaborate with them, and they sent me this product. The company, it's called Duvolle. I think that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry if I'm mistaken, but it's D-U-V-O-L-L-E. So they sent me this product. It's called the Radiance Spin Care System, and this is how it looks. It has 4 interchangeable accessories. It's a facial exfoliating brush, large body cleansing brush, and facial cleansing brush, and the pumice stone. And yeah, so this is how it looks. And this is a company that I was trying to pronounce, but I'm not sure if I pronounced it. This video is gonna be a demo video of how I use it and how I prepare my skin for it and all of that fun stuff. So yeah, if you guys want to keep on watching, just stay tuned towards the end of the video. But first, before I show you guys how I use it, I want to tell you guys that Amber, the social media coordinator of Duvolle, gave me a discount code for you guys, and it's a really good discount code. It's the 70% off, and the discount code is QUEEN, because you know we are all queens here. Don't let no one else tell you otherwise, okay? So yeah, so the regular price of this is $95, but with my discount code QUEEN, you'll be getting it for $28.50. Isn't that pretty good? Like, let me show you how these are. So obviously you got it like this, and this is like the little handle. Oh, it's actually pretty good. The little handle, and you got the little stone, little part, the little stone. You got your little bristle brushes. Got the little ones here, and to be honest, they're really soft. And you got the body one, so they're actually pretty soft. So that's a good thing about these. They are really soft, and I haven't used them yet, so this is going to be the first time I used it. I mean. So I will show you guys in the bathroom, but first I'm gonna insert this and show you guys how to put it in. There you go. You just click it in. So yeah. So like I mentioned, don't forget to use my discount code QUEEN and save 70% off. Yes, 70. 70. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video, and stay tuned for the demo of me showing you guys how I do this cleansing of this beautiful skin.